Hello students, now let us study about the main 5 parallels of latitudes. First one is equator 0 degree, then comes Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. So these are the 5 main parallels of latitudes. You can see on the picture, students, equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer towards the north 23.5 degree, and then we have the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and when you go towards the southern hemisphere we have the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. So these are the 5 main parallels of latitude. Importance of latitude: when you talk about latitudes, help to determine the climate of a place. Latitude has a direct impact on the climate of a place. Places located at high latitude receive less sunlight than the places at low latitudes. For example, if a country or a place is near the equator, it receives vertical sun rays, right? And because of which the temperature is high. And if a place is very close towards the poles, it receives slanting sun rays and the temperature is low over there. So this is how the latitudinal location can help us to give some idea about the climate that particular area is going to have. You can see in the picture, students, near the equator you find a red color zone, Toric Zone, where you find the temperature is very high, right? And as you go towards the pole you find the temperature decreases. So latitude helps us to determine the climate of a place. Latitude also helps us to find out the location, right? Latitude along with longitude, it enables us to find exact location of a place on the earth. As we had discussed in our previous class, how we find out location on a graph paper, the same way latitudes and longitudes together help us to find out the location of a place. You can see on the earth how we can locate a particular area. Climatic zones of the earth. Torrid Zone. This zone receives direct sun rays. Temperate Zone. Here the climate is moderate. Frigid Zone, when you talk about, rays of the sun are slanted and so it is very cold out over here. You can see in the picture, students, Torrid Zone is the red color area which extends both in the northern and the southern hemisphere, right? Here the sun rays are vertical and that is why the temperature is very high over here. Then the yellow color zone, that is the temperate zone, which extends between 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, and in the southern hemisphere 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. Here the sun rays are bit slanting, so the temperature is bit less. It is not that high, it is moderate, you can say. Then comes the frigid zone, which extends from 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north, and in the southern hemisphere 66.5 degree south to 90 degree south. Here the sun rays are slanting and the temperature is very less, so it's very cold out over here. So these are the climatic zones of the earth.